Hello and welcome to this Plan With Me video. The planner that I'm using today is the MASCHA Planner. It's a planner by a Dutch beauty blogger and it's an excellent dupe for the Erin Condren Lifeplanner. I really like that this planner is undated and that I can still use the stickers that are sized for the ECLP. So here I go in with my white out and I get rid of the water trackers at the bottom and the green color that isn't really matching to the stickers that I'm using this week. This is always a bit of a tedious job, so I'm just fast forwarding through it. The planner can go right side up again and I go in with the bottom washi and stick it down to the edge of the paper. I want to add a little bit of flair to the bottom washi, so I have grabbed a few of my Simply Gilded washi and decided I want to use this soft pink to layer on top of the bottom. I am not yet skilled in ripping the washi with the washi card, so I go in with this very sharp X-Acto knife and a metal ruler and get rid of the excess washi. I have to cut really carefully because I don't want to damage the paper, but I do want to get rid of the washi. The planner is going upside down again, so I have better access to the top of the page where I want to put another Simply Gilded washi. This one is yellow, but the bows are silver again, so it still matches with the pink at the bottom. I go back in with my X-Acto knife. Please mind your fingers when using this, these blades are very sharp. The date covers that I want to use are quite white and a bit see-through, so I go back in with my white out and get rid of the green that's there. The planner has only been right side up for a short while, but goes upside down again to have better access to these date headers. I mess up a bit, but the stickers are removable and there's always more white out. As you can never have too many stickers, I decide to use these glitter headers. The lilac one go on the top and the middle and bottom will be revisited when I have put down the full boxes. I usually cut up the full boxes sheet because it gives me the freedom to move the stickers around before sticking them down. The right hand corner has the quote box and I've also grabbed the double box that was in this kit. I try to spread out the different colors and the different images. So for instance, I really don't like to have two flowers next to each other, as you see me moving here. Or for instance, the wellies and the umbrella would be a shame if they were too close together. After a lot of moving around, I'm ready to stick down the stickers. I'm just going in with a bit of white out again, because it would be a shame if the green would shine through the sticker. I really like the high-low differences. So the first sticker I put down low, the second one is high, the third one is in the middle, and that goes on the other page as well. It really gives it this sort of springy, happy, moving, excited feeling, and that really is basically me in a planner spread. There's enough room in the sidebar to put down an extra full box, and when that's done I go back in with the green and the red glitter headers to finish off the spread. And lastly, it's time for the weekend banner to be put on the page. These were the stickers that are still left over and that I use in the spread, as you will see now. Here you can see the final result of my spread. I've added in lots of stickers, I've written everything out, and I'm really pleased with the result. In my next MASCHA Planner video, I will show you more about how you can achieve something like this as well. In the meantime, there's a link down below if you want to check out this planner. Or you can head over to my Instagram where I've shared a lot more spreads in this specific planner. Thanks so much, like and subscribe!